Wilfred?
What is it? Di ka pa rin ba uuwi? I'm just waiting for Amber to say goodbye to Leah. Pero you need to go home, Ronnie. Sana naman Clara na yung sinabi ko sa'yo kanina.
Don't worry, it's all clear to me. I just want to say sorry again. Kasi aaminin ko, I got scared seeing Carol with you again.
Ano?
I'm worried. I'm worried, okay? Natatakot ako na baka mabiktima ka niya ulit. Natatakot ako na baka ma-attach ka ulit sa kanya.
There you go again.
Wilfred, paano naman ako?
Paano ka? Ronnie, ano ba sinasabi mo?
Wilfred, kaya lang naman ako ganito kasi aaminin ko. I still care for you. A lot. More than a friend. Alam mo naman siguro yun. Nararamdaman mo naman siguro yun.
Ronnie. Ronnie, wait. Okay? You know I'm not looking for romance right now.
Why not? Matagal naman na kayong hiwalay ni Carol na hindi na nga kayo kasal. Remember nung nasa US tayo? Remember when I helped you move on from what Carol did to you? I can help you again. Wilfred, I can help you.
I appreciate everything you've done for me. But I'm sorry. Wala lang talaga sa isip ko to ngayon eh. And I thought malino na sa'yo kung ano lang tayo. And besides, all I want to do right now is to focus on my kids.
I can help you. I can help you take care of your daughters. Kagaya lang ng dati nung si Amber pa lang yun nandyan. Wilfred, gagawin ko yun. Even more. Wilfred, I will love you unconditionally. Okay, just give me one more chance.
Huwag mo na sila tignan.
Ronnie, ano bang ginagawa mo?
Tama na kung nasasaktan ka.
I'm sorry. I got carried away. Alam mo naman, emotional ako. Emotional ako when it comes to my feelings for you.
Dad? Tita Ronnie?
Kahit hindi mo sabihin, alam kong affected ka sa nakita mo. Carol, ayoko sanang sabihin sa ito. Pero kitang-kita ko na naging close ulit si Ronnie at Wilfred. Lalo na nung nawala ka. Sakto naman na may pinagdadaanan si Wilfred sa pamilya. At alam naman natin na porsigido si Ronnie kay Wilfred.
Is there something going on between the two of you? Again? Since when?
Amber, let me explain.
Amber, it's not what you think. Ako na lang siguro mag-explain sa kanya and maybe I'll be the one to take her home na.